Mike Vasile here, and in today's video, we're going to go talk about how to make money with Binance. Cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, you could even turn that into cash if you want. And the coolest thing is you do not need to have any experience. You don't need to know how to read this, and you don't know how to actually do technical analysis or trading. That's just complicated. And most people actually lose money when it comes to day trading. We're going to go talk about a very low risk way to actually make money online, either in Bitcoin or cash with this method. And that method is essentially affiliate marketing, right? If you see this, right, back in the day, I got into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency right around here, right? I was making money online and I was just throwing it into cryptocurrency and whatnot. And I literally saw a lot of people put a lot of money in to their investments and they think they were rich at this point right here. But because they didn't sell, they ended up losing all of that money. And what we have right now is kind of like that exact same thing where a lot of people are thinking, oh, should I actually put my money in right now or should I wait? Should I do it now or should I wait? And this fear of missing out, they just want to throw a bunch of money in here, which potentially, it could hit 400,000 per Bitcoin, or it could just drop again. We don't know. We absolutely don't know. Everything is still speculation. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but what I can share with you is the proven way that you could actually make money or Bitcoin with mitigating your risk. So you're not losing your shirt in your house, in your home, like what a lot of people did around this period of time. And that is essentially, like I said, affiliate marketing. Because at the end of the day, no matter how high Bitcoin got or how low it got, the exchange still made money. Think about that. It's like when you're gambling, it doesn't matter if you win or lose because the house always will win. It's the exact same thing with exchanges. Exchanges will make money in bull markets. They still make money in bear markets. And what you guys got to realize is that instead of thinking about it like an amateur of, oh, let me just take as much money of my own money and invest it right here at the top, which is literally the worst decision, especially if this is the first time you are investing in Bitcoin. What if you could just mitigate the risk by partnering with Binance, the exchange? Now, the coolest thing is if you just Google Binance affiliate program, you could see this. You can get up to 50% commission every single time someone completes the trade through your affiliate link. And I literally have friends making YouTube videos on this, just sharing exactly what they're doing. Now they're trading with a very small amount compared to their entire net worth. So they're willing to lose that money. But because they know that there's going to be a huge demand for people that want to learn how to trade Bitcoin, they know there's going to be more eyeballs to that. And the thing about these people is they're going to go and find out how to trade naturally by, looking at these videos anyways. So why not just, document you already learning how to trade? That way, when people go through your affiliate link, you get 50% commissions. I literally have friends doing this, making an extra 1 Bitcoin every single day, literally a whole Bitcoin every single day, especially around this time. My friend was telling me he was doing this right here in the bear markets, right? And he was absolutely killing it. So now all of that money that he made when he was making Bitcoin, when it was at 3,000 or 4,000 or 5,000, he's already 4x his money. The thing is, he never actually put the money that he made into it. It was just money that he made from affiliate marketing. Now, this is something that you guys got to realize because when there's a gold rush, the people that make the most money in a gold rush aren't the people that dig for gold. That is very few in between. The people that make the most money are the people that actually sell the shovels. And the exchanges are the shovels. So what the opportunity is a lot of people are starting to make videos about trading, but most of the time they might be trading and making good money from their trades. I know a lot of friends that make good money day trading, but they actually make even more money by really documenting their trades and then making money from the affiliate marketing commissions when people kind of follow their trades. It's essentially what people do with Amazon Associates on a higher level. When someone goes through your Amazon Associates link and go to Amazon and they go buy something from Amazon, someone that would recommend it maybe would get a couple percentages of this purchase. So people aren't really making that much. But when you're dealing with a very insanely volatile, asset, which is Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, and you're putting that along with as well as leverage trading, which is what a lot of people do as well, which isn't really recommended, but some people are very high risk and people are going to already do it. You don't understand, you're not really teaching people new things. You're just documenting what you're going through and recommending the exchange that you're doing. You see a lot of people coming and searching for these specific things. All you really got to do is just document what you're already doing. If you want to learn day trading or whatnot, just put a very minimal amount so you could just figure it out. But the most important thing is just recommend the exchange. And look at this, 50% commissions every single time. And that's residual, okay? So your goal is you want to identify who are like the active traders. And if I just type this in and I just type in Bitcoin news and whatnot, right? You'll see a lot of these people making videos about Bitcoin, talking about trading. But if you see the first link, they're recommending some type of exchange, because this person, the Moon, is literally making money from this. So that's the beauty about affiliate marketing, because even though I've never actually seen this video, he probably does some trading, and we could even look at his technical analysis. You could even go and
in this video,
look at that. He's already talking about it. He's getting like 700 views per hour. Every single time someone goes through here or here, which is not really Binance, but it's another exchange, he would go and make 50% commissions of all of the trades, right? So that's the thing, because even if we just put in Bitcoin trading, you can see there's so much people just even talking about, I tried trading Bitcoin. Like, look at this. This guy I tried trading Bitcoin for a week, and he's not even an expert, which is what stops most people. They're like, oh, I'm not an expert, I can never do this. But look at that, 800,000 views. And all you got to do is just recommend, this exchange. And whenever somebody trades on their behalf, not using your money, but their money, you get 50% commissions every single time they trade. And the thing is, if you constantly keep on producing that content, you're going to attract more and more people that are higher likely able to go and do the trading, and you get commissions off. So let's just do that again. Bitcoin news. You can see the other exchanges that have affiliate programs. So you have Femex. And all you really got to do once you type in Bitcoin news, just look at the links in the description and you'll see exactly which exchanges they have. Binance is just one of them, but you could literally Google insert exchange name / affiliate marketing program, and you could just see how people are actually making their money in Bitcoin. Like I said, most of the times it's not actually because they're like, oh, let me just sell my house and put my money in this risky asset. It's because they're realizing that this is a risky asset. They can make a bunch of money, but they could lose a bunch of money. So they're thinking more creative ways on how they could actually make money in Bitcoin without actually having to do all of the hard work and the high risk. Like I said, if you don't know how to read this, if you're not an expert trader, if you don't know anything about finances, you are going to lose a bunch of money in cryptocurrency. How do I know this? Because I lost a bunch of money around this period of time when I put a lot in as it was going up. I was like, oh my God, it's still going to go up. And then I just saw a lot of my money go down. And it completely sucked. It completely sucked. And I don't want that to happen to you. So what I realized around this time is I was like, okay, how else are people making money with Bitcoin? How are they making money without actually having to invest their own money? Oh, it's because they're partnering with the exchanges. They're partnering with the companies. They're partnering with people that are professionals. And instead, they're just kind of actively doing a little bit of the marketing. That's why I always preach to learn a marketing skill, because if you can learn a marketing skill, anyone will pay you in anything. They'll pay you in US dollars. They'll pay you in yen. They'll pay you in Indonesian rupiah. They'll pay you in Thai baht. They'll pay you in Bitcoin. And this is just one way that you could actually make money with Binance without actually having to risk your own money, guys. So check this out. And if you need help with marketing, the number one thing that I would recommend with affiliate marketing, because this is just a form, there's one way that people are making $100 to $1,000 a day with affiliate marketing. Check out the free workshop below. And with that being said, let me know what your thoughts are. I love you guys. Peace out.